So I've been regulating the time on this clock, and I got it pretty well regulated, pretty good now. But now I have to adjust the um, strike again, and I'll tell you why here in a second. You hear that clunk? With this clock, when you adjust it, you have to make sure that the gong is not hitting the back of the wood. There's a lot going on with it, but the the leather piece fell off, and I'm gonna have to make another one. The leather tip for the hammer fell out. I searched all over my desk, swept my floor. It went to no man's land. I'm not for sure where it's at, so I'm gonna have to make another one. And I've got this old leather belt, so I'm going to try to make a tip out of it. You could use a leather shoe, a leather belt, whatever you got laying around. And honestly, I've never done this before. But there's a first time for everything. I got it cut. I think I'm going to take my lighter and try to burn up my house. The purpose of the lighter was to get away the sprays and stuff. So it fits in there. So now I have to cut it down. I think I have it cut down enough. And so now I want to glue it in there. So getting out some super glue, I'm going to glue it in there. I have it glued in. It probably sticks out a little bit more than what I wanted, but I can adjust it to that. So let me put this back in the case, and we'll try to adjust it, see if it sounds better. Now the hands are off, because while I was adjusting the time, I wasn't worried about the gong. So the purpose behind the leather, I believe, is to make it quieter. I like it louder myself, but once that leather dries out, but forms to the hammer, I think it'll sound a little bit better. I mean, it's not bad for using a cheap leather belt. What do y'all think? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Leave me some comments. Hit the notification bell. And may God bless each and every one of you. And if I was to cut this tip off some more, make it shorter, it would be louder. And the reason why it's quieter is because it's got more leather that's pouncing down on the gong. So if I was to cut this off some, I'm pretty sure it would be louder. That's my theory anyway. And there's this new home right above my bed. And a lot of people don't want clocks in their bedroom. Truthfully, you get used to it after a while. And at one time, every one of my clocks were running in my bedroom. And I have trouble sleeping as it is, but if one clock doesn't go off while you're laying there in bed, you wait for it. If it doesn't go off, you get up and you try to figure out what's wrong with it. But hopefully, I'll get all my clocks running again in my bedroom. But I hope y'all like this video. May God bless each and every one of you.